In today's rapidly evolving world, where technology drives almost every aspect of our lives, traditional schooling systems are often put to the test. Amid this shifting landscape, unschooling, a learner-centered approach in education, has emerged as a surprising powerhouse. Unschoolers, who essentially learn through life experiences, show remarkable promise in becoming pioneers in technological innovation. But how do unschoolers, without a standardized curriculum, excel in such a dynamic field? To understand this phenomenon, we need to appreciate the unschooling philosophy itself. Unlike traditional education, unschooling emphasizes self-directed learning. Learners follow their interests passionately, diving deep into subjects they are genuinely curious about. This innate curiosity nurtures an innovative mindset, a critical asset in the world of technology, where new ideas reign supreme. Imagine a child fascinated by computer programming. In an unschooling environment, that curiosity is not only encouraged, but provided with the resources to flourish without the constraints of a rigid syllabus. The boundaries of a standard classroom often limit creativity, whereas unschoolers are free to explore beyond these barriers. When they are interested in, say, robotics, unschoolers can dedicate ample time to hands-on experimentation, a method aligned perfectly with how technological skills are best acquired, through practice and failure. By actively creating, dismantling, and tinkering with technology, they develop not only technical skills, but also problem-solving abilities. Moreover, unschoolers are uniquely equipped for technological innovations because of their exposure to real-world scenarios. Learning isn't confined to textbooks, but instead is integrated with day-to-day life. This approach fosters essential skills such as adaptability and critical thinking, qualities indispensable in a tech-driven economy. With the demands of the tech industry being unpredictable, the flexibility that unschoolers cultivate becomes their greatest asset. In addition, unschoolers often engage with diverse learning communities. They regularly interact with people of different ages and backgrounds, often in collaborative projects. This environment mirrors the real-world tech industry, reliant on teamwork and fresh perspectives. These experiences prepare unschoolers for a world where empathy, networking, and communication are just as crucial as technical knowledge. The coming decades promise extraordinary technological advancements. Unschoolers, with their ability to navigate complexities, adapt to new tools swiftly, and innovate with a pioneering spirit, are positioned not just to participate in this future, but to help shape it. As industries continue to seek individuals who can harness creativity alongside technical prowess, unschoolers might very well become the vanguards of technological innovation, crafting a brighter, more inventive tomorrow.